Today I'm going to attempt to self-camouflage my Mossberg Model 88 12 gauge by Maverick. I've had this gun since I was 11. That's about 14 years ago. Got my spray paints here. I'm gonna work lightest to darkest and see how that goes. And got a bunch of different brass pieces, bush pieces. See how it goes. So first, I'm probably gonna break it down and cover all this up. Make sure I got everything covered up for what I don't want to paint. Hopefully it comes out good. All right, got it covered. Took me a minute. Pretty nerve-wracking. Make sure you got everything covered. Got that covered up. Hey, all you need is a little bit of paper towel and duct tape. Some people need paint tape, but I ain't finna pay $6-7 for a whole roll and only need a few strips. Got all that covered up. I even covered up this little hole where my trigger is, and a little piece that you press down to let that down. And I can't move my, got that covered up. My end of the barrel, I don't want no paint getting inside of it. Got my phone on charge, can't pull it too far. Got it covered up. I think I'm ready to go, y'all. I'm nervous, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna figure out how I can post my camera up so I can get while I'm painting it. One second. This is what I did. I first went that color, the light brown, on the cardboard, and I laid down a row of bushes. I used this one. I laid down just a little bit more, and I went to this color. And these are actually the combination: light brown, green, dark brown, and I didn't use black yet, but I haven't used black. It's just the colors that I do have. But I used this one, and this one. And let's take it off and see what it looks like. I don't know if I'm supposed to let it dry, but I'm gonna just take it off. Hell, let's see what it looks like. Okay, wow, man. Okay, so that's what I got, which is it's kind of like a little shine to it. It's matte finish, but I got a LED light right above me, so I do like that section, which was more of this little bush. I do like that. Pine straw looks good. I really like it overall. I don't think I'm gonna use black. I think I'm gonna just use those three right there. I like that. I'm satisfied, and I'm gonna finish covering up my gun. Do got a little smudge mark right there, but on my gun, I think I'm gonna let it dry. Every time I'm gonna let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, y'all. I am nervous. Reason why this is my first ever gun. You know, my daddy bought it when I was 11 years old, so it's got a lot of morals. You know, it's old, but my first ever gun. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for about, I'll give it about 10 minutes. So bring you guys right back. We'll do the other side. All right, time to do the second coat. You know what? I got my ass. Let's not shop. All right, second coat is on. I'll let that dry for about another. I did it 10 minutes. I may do 5 this time since it's the second coat. All right. All right. Time to turn her over and do the other side. Now I will say, yeah, I'm gonna say that just in my opinion, the whole thing doesn't have to be your first coat. Because if it's not, I feel like if it's not completely covered, it's okay because it's part of the camouflage pattern, in my opinion. I mean, I'm still gonna put 2 more colors on it, so by me not hitting a certain spot, I don't think it's gonna hurt. You know, it's part of the camouflage, you know, purpose or whatever. Alright. I think that's good. Like I want, I mean, it dried for multiple minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and go over it. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna put light first because I want to get that tan away. Because I'm not really, you know, we're really not doing going for a light color. We're going more for dark. Where is that? This is my favorite right here. This right here, this material. I don't know what this is. What kind of bush this is. You kind of just want to. Everybody gone? Yeah. Okay. It didn't dry away like I wanted to, but it did all right. Oh, that's all right. Start all this shit up. Honey. That's right. There we go. That's more packs. Actually, break this. All right. All right. Too much brush?
No, no, thanks, mate. You're just gonna get a little steps, mate. I take all this way. And leave it all vertical to one way.
Go on. It's on the tan, go away. Hell.
You'll be surprised that the actual tan in there will look good. But the more brush you put, the more tan will stay.
Yeah. All right. All right, let it dry. Well, let it dry. We don't have about
Get on this side. The top of your gun, get on it. Come over here.
Let's see how it goes. All right, got that dry for about 20 minutes. I just put a few more bushes on it. I'm gonna put a little bit more, just to add. Let's see. Yeah, add some more bushes. All right, crazy sound. I almost really don't know. I really don't remember what color I used. I think I used this greenish. I don't think I used brown. Okay, yeah, brown. We use brown. All right, that's good enough. I gotta run off, go do something, go pick up a safe real quick, let that dry, and I come back, gonna take it all off, see how it is. Be right back. All right, here we go. You wanna start? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. I ain't lying to y'all, boy. I'm loving this shit. Give me French. Oh my goodness. God. Look at that. Dude. Oh. Man. This looks like something off the dang off. What you think about this, brother?
I like it. I like that.
That's bad. Oh my God. I don't think I can.
I like it.
That is nice. That is nice. Look at the pine.
Yeah, it had a lot of detail to it.
Yeah. Look at that little strip.
Take a picture of it, send it to me.
Alright. Wow, look at that right there. Oh, jeez. Alright, I put my second layer of bushes and second paint. I didn't record it because I don't want this video being too long. I'm gonna let that sit for about another 10-15 minutes. Take it all off and whole project will be done. Alright, time for the finishing product. Here we go. Dude, I tell you, I was nervous, but this, I tell you, man. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my God, look at the combination of green and brown and tan. Like, this is awesome. Man, look at this. Jeez. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, dude. I'm loving it. I'm gonna show this to the hunting club, and I guarantee you everybody's gonna want to paint their guns camo now. No, I gotta take this off. This little piece here. That'll be it. But I'll give y'all one final view here in a second once I get all the protective stuff taken off real quick.